Hi guys, welcome back. Apologies for not uploading anything sooner, but this last month has been a bit hectic really. What with work and some personal family issues going on, I just haven't been able to get out and about. This literally is the first trip out in a month. So it's back out again after the rabbits with the 22 LR. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I've bagged 3 at the moment. The first one that you're going to see, I literally pulled up in the field with the car and there it was. Not very far, about 40 yards out. So I managed to leave the car running, open up the door, walk round to the boot, picked up the rifle from the boot and had that one. And then as I was walking up the lane here, bunny number 2, and there's another one just down the lane, a bit further on, about 80 yards down there. Actually there was 2 down there, so I thought I'd go for the furthest one first, which knocked over a tree and then missed the closer one. But that's the way it goes. So yeah, 3 in about 5 minutes, that's not too bad. But just have to see how we go for the rest of the session. So it's going to be a little bit difficult. The grass fields that I do like walking around are just, well, up to like your waist in places. He hasn't cut yet. This one's been cut. There's a couple over there that the cattle have been in, so they've kept that down, which is good. And there's a couple more over there, smaller fields. So, you know, I've got something to work with, but not as much as I wanted. So yeah, there we go. So let's get to it. I'm going to go and pick this last one up down there and go for a wander. So see you guys in a bit. Right guys, it's not going too bad so far. It's quite slow really, but I've had, I don't know, something about 10 on the deck. But I just thought I'd do this quick clip because there's a few spots of rain. It's not meant to rain till tonight, but there's a few spots turning up now. So how much longer I'll be out, I don't know. I'm going to stay as long as I can. But for now, I've this hedgerow just behind me, the other side of it, there's quite a few rabbits. So what I'm going to do is hang around this particular area. It's nice to have a hedge between me and them, and hopefully pick a few off. And the one good thing with rabbits is, even when you shoot them, you know, don't have to worry about picking them up, because when they come back out to feed again, they don't take a blind bit of notice of their fallen comrades on the floor. So I'm just going to leave them there and pick them up at the end. And right at the very top, I've just ranged it. There's a rabbit up there, 137 yards. So you know I'll be having a go at him in a minute. Hopefully bowl him over as well. But yeah, for now I'm just going to hang around this little bit, see how we go. Hopefully the rain will keep off until I've finished. But you know, lap of the gods that one, I'm afraid. So yeah, see what happens. Well, there we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, there's going to be no nighttime session because of the weather. I got caught in a pretty heavy downpour. My jacket's soaked. You probably realised with the last couple of clips on the video that the image quality was a little bit hazy. That was because of the rain, and then obviously because it's still humid, it started steaming up the bloody lenses. Can't do nothing about that, I'm afraid. So, but yeah, I'm off to get out of these wet clothes and that now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel and like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. It's always appreciated. Hopefully I won't leave it as long for the next video to come out, but obviously commitments come first. And with a bit of luck, the fields will be cut and Clint and myself can get out after the foxes. So that's been a long time coming. Maybe a deer or two as well, but who knows. But anyway, stay safe, guys. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm off to get this bloody hay fever sorted out. Take care, guys. See you later.